As the main port on Cyprus, it handles 90% of the export and import volume of the island and 80% of passenger traffic into and out of Cyprus. Since 2017, Limassol Port is no longer operated exclusively by Cyprus Ports Authority (CPA). Privatization of the port has led to an upgrade in the operations and technology used. Here you will see the operators and types of operation carried out and the technology that is used in these operations. Limassol Port is mainly operated by the Cyprus Ports Authority and three privately owned companies, namely DP World, Eurogate, and P&O Maritime. Numerous other operations take place within the port. Multi-Marine repairs and provides maintenance services on ships. VGN Sludge treats waste and old oil. Brazel Marine. Kimagro, the largest fish farm with large exports. International naval ships, including aircraft carriers, dock at the port, and small tugs. Within the port area, the Port and Nautical Police, Customs, and the Veterinary Services also operate. The state chemist carries out sampling checks for water and air quality in the port. The CPA determines, regulates, controls, and prohibits the use of any port areas or the movement of any activities within the ports. It is responsible for waste management, which is covered in a separate presentation by our school. It also issues permits to those employed in port areas. The regulatory department of the CPA is responsible for the implementation of laws, regulations, directives, and circulars concerning the management and operation of the port, including vessel traffic services (VTS), the handling and storage of goods and explosives, environmental and safety issues. Vessel traffic services (VTS) contribute to the safety of life at sea, safety and efficiency of navigation, and the protection of the marine environment, adjacent shore areas, work sites, and offshore installations from possible adverse effects of maritime traffic. Limassol is the main cruise port. DP World Limassol is in charge of general trade, and the new 7,000 square meters passenger terminals offering cruise lines and passengers a wealth of services to accommodate all their needs. P&O Marine provides maritime services such as tugs and pilotage at the port. The Zodiac TOS system is used within the port using technology such as real-time tracking, big data analysis, smart equipment management features, machine learning, and more for better logistics. Eurogate Container Terminal Limassol Limited controls the container terminal. The container management system and all the other programs used are their own and are innovative. It consists of three parts: business department, management, and technical. Eurogate Coiny, TopX software, and the Infogate internet service are used. Infogate is a website that provides important information regarding the arrival and delivery of containers. The process is automatic and thus the processing time has been reduced. It also helps save energy and generates more environmentally friendly energy. For example, the installation of the system cuts generation of energy when the cranes stop. The range of services provided by Eurogate Technical Services includes container cranes. They have the largest in Europe, refrigerations, materials handling, and storage technology, through to facility management and energy supply. The Department of Customs and Excise at the port is responsible, among other things, for the inspection of goods and the collection of relevant taxes, as well as the safeguarding of the security of the supply chain of goods. They enforce prohibitions on drugs, cultural artifacts, and such. They also check the safety of goods to protect consumers and control export refunds. The main duties of the Marine Department of the Port and Nautical Police are the maintenance, security, and staffing of police boats. It also carries out nautical police duties, patrols, and operations at sea. The Technical Support Department provides mainly mechanical, electrical, and electronic support for police boats and their equipment. For this purpose, the unit operates a fully equipped maintenance yard where maintenance and alterations are carried out. The Radar Surveillance Department is responsible for the 24-hour surveillance of traffic in the territorial waters and contiguous zone of Cyprus using the Automated Coastal Surveillance System ACSS. The transfer of operations and management from the public to the private sector has led to new technology in terms of equipment and software, among others, which has improved efficiency and profitability. Health and safety has furthermore been stepped up. It can be seen as a win-win situation both for the public and private sectors, as the government and the taxpayer no longer has to cover the port's economic deficit.